Hi, this is Molly from Student Legal Services with important information about leasing, leases, and lease reviews. When you sign a lease, you are signing a legal contract between you, your roommates, and the landlord. This legal contract obligates you and your roommates to do certain things like pay your rent on time and in full every month, or you could be evicted. The lease also obligates your landlord to certain things, like providing you with a property in a safe and habitable condition. Not all landlords are bad, but they are all business people. They make money by renting property. And you are a consumer who is about to spend thousands of dollars on a large purchase. You wouldn't buy a TV or a car without doing your research first. Do your research on this purchase as well. We encourage students to do their research about the property, the area where the property is located, and the landlord before they sign the lease. We urge you not to feel pressured to sign a lease too early. The leasing season at Ohio State was originally shaped when the supply and demand balance tipped in favor of landlords, meaning that there was more demand from tenants for housing than there was housing available. That isn't the case anymore. Take a look around the university and see for yourself. There's plenty of housing available for students. It is in the landlord's best interest that tenants sign leases really early. Then that part of their job is done. Don't let landlords or your fellow students rush you. Take your time. Whenever you're ready to sign, we are ready to help. You can schedule a lease review appointment for a student legal services attorney to review your lease with you before you sign. Leases in Ohio are not standard, meaning that each lease can be different. The attorney will go through your specific lease, provide you with valuable information about Ohio law, talk to you about your rights and responsibilities as a tenant, and answer any questions you have. If you've already signed a lease, no worries. It's still a good idea to schedule a lease review and review your lease with one of our attorneys. We also want you to know that while the lease is a very important document, it is not the only thing governing the relationship between you and your landlord. There is also a set of Ohio laws called the Landlord-Tenant Act. Sometimes what your landlord puts in the lease contradicts the Ohio Landlord-Tenant Act, and so the landlord cannot enforce those provisions. If you're ever unsure whether your landlord is able to do something or charge you for something, that is a really good idea to schedule an appointment with Student Legal Services. To schedule an appointment with Student Legal Services, visit studentlegal.osu.edu. Have questions about our services? Call or text us at 614-247-5853.